up? It's Sydney, and today I'm gonna lie to all of you. Sorry. I've been traveling a lot recently, and I was waiting in line to board my flight from Barcelona to London because the next day I was going to take a flight from London home. When I remembered those videos that went around a few months ago that were like faking my vacation, and I thought, what if I just did this right now? I chose Portugal because my friend Taylor is actually there right now, so she can just do all the work for me. Sorry for lying to you guys, please don't cancel me. I just wanted to prove the point that not everything is as it seems on Instagram, so there's no point in comparing yourself because it might not even be true. Okay, let's get started. Welcome to my hotel room that isn't in Portugal. I know I look like a flaming hot mess, okay? We don't need to talk about it. I was on a plane today. I'm currently in London, in a hotel by the airport. If you don't believe me, I completely understand. I wouldn't either. Here's my exact location. As you can see, we're in London. Tomorrow morning, I'm catching my flight back home to the United States of America. I've posted 2 things on my story thus far. The first one was me with my passport getting ready to board the plane, and I convinced you all that I was going somewhere other than London. This story was super believable because I actually was boarding a plane to go to a different country. It was also way more credible because I took the video myself. It was of my feet, my sweatshirt, my passport, and in the background, you can hear people speaking Spanish, and I was leaving the Barcelona airport. On that story, I did one of the question things and said like, oh, where am I going next? And a few of you actually guessed correctly. Fake correctly, which leads me to the next story that I posted, and I took it in this hotel room. In the bottom, I put one of your responses that guessed Lisbon, Portugal, and then next to it I put the location, and I was like, haha, you guessed correctly, even though you didn't because it's all a lie. I'm sorry. There has been 0 suspicion raised so far. Everyone thinks I'm there. In fact, everyone is DMing me like, oh my god, you're in Lisbon? I'm from Portugal. I was feeling pretty good about myself, like, woohoo, Sydney, you little prankster, until I read those DMs and I was like,
I feel guilty.
It definitely helped my case that London and Lisbon are in the same time zone, so I could use the little time sticker and it was the correct time there. Plus, I looked it up and the flight length from Barcelona to London is nearly identical to the flight length from Barcelona to Lisbon, so the timeline really adds up, and this is turning out to be a super elaborate and very believable lie. That's all I'm gonna post for tonight because I actually do have a real flight to catch tomorrow. So, see you the next time I lie. Update, posted an Instagram story earlier. Copyrighted music in the background. Taylor didn't know that, but it's okay, don't blame me, girl. Alright. It was a video that I had my friend Taylor send to me because she's actually in Portugal right now. And then I just pretended it was mine. Frick. I feel like this is level 1 for me. It's just too easy right now to lie to you guys, which is not good. So tomorrow I'm really gonna step up my game and I'm gonna try to Photoshop myself into a picture in Portugal and then post it. But as for tonight, I really want to post a video, but I literally just finished it and it's uploading right now and it's already 10 p.m. Eastern time, which wouldn't be a problem except for the fact that I'm pretending I'm in Portugal and it's 3 a.m. Portugal time. I don't want that fact to stop me from posting the video right now because I just want to get it up. So I think I'm gonna post on my story pretending that I'm super tired and like the Wi-Fi was slow and everything in Portugal. I'm recording the story in my mom's room because she has the most, I don't know, hotel looking bed, but also because I don't want it to be super recognizable. Like if I record it in my own room, obviously people are gonna know that I'm not in Portugal. I also changed my phone time I don't know if you could see that. Time to initiate my acting skills. I still have makeup on though. It's fine. We'll put our hair in a nice little like messy bun to indicate that I'm just so tired. No, I actually look like a boy. Never mind. It is almost 4 in the morning. Rosie, they can't hear you in this. Do you see what I have to work with here? It is literally almost 4 in the morning. Okay, let's see if the time thing works. It does. The story just uploaded. I feel like someone is going to point out that it's a little weird for me to be posting that late because normally the latest I'll post East Coast time is like maybe 10 p.m. and that's still not very common. So the fact that I posted it at 10:30 and I'm supposed to be 5 hours ahead is just... Catch you tomorrow for the real fun. And by real fun, I mean I'm definitely gonna get caught tomorrow. I can't Photoshop anything. Are you kidding me? I'm so sad it's my last day in Portugal. Yeah, I really am dressed in a bikini with athletic shorts in my basement. Here's the setup. My friend took this picture while she was on the beach in Portugal. This is where I'm most likely to get caught, is the picture, because it's so much more obvious if it's fake. It's not really that I want to lie to you guys, like that's not the point of this video. I just wanted to see if I was capable of doing it to kind of prove a point. No, listen.
That's worse.
Okay, I'm trying to prove the point that, you know, your Instagram feed might look great and fun, but in reality, you're in your cold basement with a plastic tablecloth from the Dollar Tree. You know what I mean? Like...
Yeah, kind of, but also no.
It's more dramatic because most people don't just fake going on vacation, but I feel like definitely some people when they're on vacation fake having a better time than they actually do in photos to make people jealous, you know? Ready? Outfit of the day.
Oh wait, I hit the light. I feel like we almost need to get lower because I feel like the sun isn't high enough. As in,
okay, do you want me to just kneel? Sits on a stool. Oh, I love my beach towel, just chilling at the beach.
I don't really know what I'm doing, to be honest.
Dude, I don't either. It doesn't match the actual picture at all. Frick. Every time I decide to finally post on my Instagram after a good, I don't know, 2 months of being completely inactive, I knock on Matthew's door and I'm like, Matthew? And he's like, what? And I'm like, would you mind taking an Instagram picture for me? And he goes,
To be fair, when we took those one pictures where you're on the railing in front of the fountain, we took like 700 and you told me you liked none of them.
I just look ugly, okay? I can't help it. That's my most liked picture on Instagram. Did we find one yet? Why does my head just look giant? Wait, am I tilting?
Currently, no.
Okay.
Now you're tilting.
Wait, what if I like...
I would not recommend putting your sunglasses on because they're the most reflective thing ever.
You're right. How do people do this every day? I give up. If I get demonetized for this, I swear to God, YouTube. Hopefully we got the picture. I feel like this video is a mess, honestly, but I mean, what did we expect? Just got back from work. I think it's about time that we Photoshop and post this picture. Hopefully it actually goes up because Instagram has been down all day. Thank you so much, Instagram. I'm too poor for Photoshop. I just don't have that, so I use cheap apps that I've had since 8th grade.
I told you the hair was gonna be the problem. I mean, actually it was the sunglasses, but...
Honestly, to anyone that like Facetunes their pics or something, how? This takes so much time.
Is your picture? No. So bad.
No.
I couldn't even tell you that was Portugal. We should have just taken a picture at any random beach and it would have been fine.
Throwback to a few days ago when I was so cocky about this and actually thought I could pull this off. No. I just assumed that no matter what picture I took, I could save it somehow with editing, because that's what I do for all of my videos. Like, I'm not actually funny, but because I edit them and distract you from how boring I am, they turn out okay. But I forgot that I have no skill when it comes to photo editing, so I look like a cardboard cutout on a stock image of a beach. So, time to get canceled. No. Oh, it failed. Instagram really said, girl, you look so stupid in this, I'm not letting you post it. And you know what, I kind of respect that. Please, Instagram, just post the picture, okay? The lies, they're weighing on me. The guilt is building up. People need to know that I'm lying, and they will when they see this picture because it looks so bad. I just want to be exposed because my picture was superimposed. Thank you, I'll be here all week. 15 minutes later, Instagram finally decided to post the photo, and it does not look good. Looking at the picture, it looks bad, but then looking at it on my feed, it looks a million times worse. There's 33 comments so far. LMAO, why do you look photoshopped in? Haters will say it's fake. Why does this look like a green screen? Someone said, are you doing the video? Yeah. You guys aren't stupid. Obviously, you're catching on to this because it looks atrocious. If I looked better in this picture, I would leave it up for the lols, but I look ugly. So I'm probably gonna leave it up for a few hours and then conclude this thing because I failed. Here's what we've learned from this video. I can't Photoshop to save my own life. Instagram pictures might be hard to fake, but Instagram stories definitely aren't because everyone still believed it up to that point. And most importantly, Instagram feeds are people's lives through rose-colored lenses. You can really pick what you want to post on Instagram, so there's no point at looking at other people's lives and getting jealous or sad that your life isn't like that, because odds are that's not even their whole real life. I, Sydney, a fellow idiot, was able to fake it for multiple days, pretending that I was in Portugal, meanwhile I was sitting in my bed eating Doritos, so other people can do it too. Granted, most people aren't gonna Photoshop their pictures because most people aren't trying to make a YouTube video out of it, but it is still pretty easy to fake stories and some other things. I could have gone in my backyard, laid a towel down, and pretended I was at the beach. So please don't scroll through Instagram feeling sad because you're not doing what other people are supposedly doing, because reality is skewed on Instagram, and I don't want anyone to feel sad, and I just feel like we should make Instagram a less serious place again, okay? If you guys want to follow me on social media, here's what it is. I promise I won't lie to you, okay? That was a one-time thing. I'm sorry. Especially to everyone that lives in Portugal. I'm extra sorry. Alright, bye!